Welcome to AfroDish Diaries. We will be uncovering Abuja's hidden culinary gems tour. A culinary adventure is embarked upon, revealing some of Abuja's most intriguing and less-known eateries. Local flavors and unique dining experiences are brought to light, promising a delightful exploration for the viewer. Going further, we are still on uncovering Abuja's hidden culinary gems tour. Intrigue and mystery. Think you know Abuja's food scene? Think again. We are about to pull back the curtain on some of the city's best-kept culinary secrets, places even most locals haven't discovered. Prepare to have your taste buds tantalized and your assumptions challenged as we dive deep into Abuja's hidden gastronomic treasures. Direct question and curiosity. What if I told you there's an entire world of incredible flavors and unique dining experiences hidden right under your nose in Abuja? Forget the usual spots. Join me on an adventure to uncover the truly remarkable, off-the-beaten-path eateries that are redefining Abuja's culinary landscape. You won't believe what we found. Uncovering Abuja's hidden culinary gems tour. Beyond the usual Abuja eats. Hook, tired of the same old restaurants in Abuja? Get ready for a taste adventure. Setting the scene, a quick montage of familiar Abuja landmarks, contrasting them with the mystery of hidden culinary spots. Promise to the viewer, we're diving deep to uncover the true local flavors you won't find on any tourist map. The first bite, a street food revelation. Transition, our first stop isn't a fancy bistro, but a vibrant street corner buzzing with authentic aromas. This showcase, detailed shot of a unique street food item, e.g., a lesser-known suyo spot, local snacks. Focus on the texture, smell, and the vendor's story. Viewer interaction prompt, have you tried this hidden gem? Let me know in the comments below. Unveiling the hole-in-the-wall delights. Transition, from the bustling streets, we venture into an unassuming building that hides a culinary secret. Atmosphere and ambience show the charming, perhaps slightly rustic, interior of a small, family-run eatery. Emphasize its authentic feel. Signature dish spotlight, close-up on the establishment's most unique or beloved dish, highlighting ingredients and preparation. The fusion frontier, modern twist on tradition. Transition, Abuja's food scene isn't just about tradition, it's also about innovative chefs pushing boundaries. Contemporary eatery exploration, visit a modern spot offering a fusion of Nigerian and international flavors, showcasing a visually appealing dish. Interview snippet, a brief, engaging soundbite from the chef or owner about their culinary philosophy. Your next culinary adventure awaits. Transition, we've barely scratched the surface, but I hope this tour has sparked your own food exploration. Recap and call to action, quick montage of all the featured dishes, encouraging viewers to visit these spots and share their own finds. Engagement and future content is, what other hidden gems should I uncover next? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Abuja adventures. Thanks for watching our AfroDish Diaries channel. Hope to see you again, and please remember to share, like and subscribe. Stay tuned while we bring more on our African delicacies.